Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So let's solve the given question. If x equal to a sin t minus b cos t and y equal to a cos t plus b sin t, then y cube into d2y by dx square plus x square plus y square equal to. So guys, we use the key concept is that is nothing but the second order derivative, right? Second order derivative. So what we have to do here, we have to differentiate two times, right? But this is not the simple derivative. So write down the first x is what? A sin t minus b cos t. So guys, we have to differentiate with respect to t here. So what will be the dx by dt? That will be a into cos t, because sin t derivative is cos t, minus plus b into cos t derivative will be minus sin t, right? So minus becomes plus sign. So this is the equation number 1. Similarly, write down the y equal to a cos t plus b sin t. So if you differentiate with respect to t, you will be getting dy by dt equal to minus a into sin t plus b into cos t. Okay, call this equation number 2. So guys, we know the value of dy by dx. dy by dx will be the dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay, so just substitute the values. It becomes minus a sin t plus b cos t whole divided by, what is the x value? X value will be a cos t plus b sin t. So this is the value of dy by dx. Okay, so now observe carefully what is the given in the question. Yes guys, if we took something common from the numerator, yes, if we took the minus sign common from the numerator, what will you get? That is dy by dx equal to minus in the bracket a sin t minus b cos t, and the denominator will be a cos t plus b sin t. Okay, so guys, what will be the value of dy by dx? So guys, this is a sin t minus b cos t will be x term, that is x value that is given in the question, that is a sin t minus b cos t. And what is the y value? A cos t plus b sin t. So instead of a cos t plus b sin t, we can replace the y value. Okay, so what we'll do, call this equation number 3rd. So guys, for this we can differentiate with respect to x, right? So differentiate with respect to x. So which rule we have to use? U by v rule. Okay, so d2y by dx square equal to minus, as it is in the bracket, will be y into x derivative is 1 minus x into y derivative is dy by dx, bracket close, whole divided by y derivative y square. This is the formula, right? So simplify. So if you simplify this, you will be getting d2y by dx square equal to minus in bracket, okay, y minus x. What is the dy by dx value from the equation 3? That is a minus x by y, right? And whole divided by what? Y square. So simplify this. So you will be getting minus, as it is outside the bracket, it will becomes y square plus x square whole divided by y square. Okay, so what is the final value of d2y by dx square, guys? And what they have asked? Yes, y cube plus x square plus y cube. So just shift that y square to the left side. Okay, so if we shift, d2y by dx square equal to so here will be, guys, y cube, not y square, it will be y cube. So it becomes minus y square plus x square minus upon y cube. So shift that left hand side, it becomes y cube into d2y by dx square. That y to the left hand side will be plus y square plus x square equal to 0. So guys, what they have asked, same thing. So equal to will be the zero answer. Whole term y cube into d2y by dx square plus y square plus x square equal to 0. So which option is correct one? Option number D will be the correct option, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.